guys, it's me, Jocelyn from Art Magic. So today, I'm gonna do origami with you. So we're gonna fold a boat easy. So it's gonna be easy. So for this lesson, you just need a sheet of paper. So first, bend it like that. I'm gonna do it on the table so it's straight like that. And now, we're gonna fold it like this. Please don't mind the noise. It's just the TV. Now, like that. Open it, and you'll see that. So you're gonna fold a triangle and do the same thing on the other side. Remember, the bottom has to be like this. Now, take the bottom and fold it up all the way. Like that. Turn it around or flip it around like that. And then make the triangles go down like that. Now, see the bottom, also make like a house roof over here. So I'm gonna show you when I'm done. Watch me, okay? Look, like that. And then the top, fold the top up like that. See? And you could open the bottom. If yes, then you did it right. And fold the bottom like that and make it like that. This is the bottom, so you make that facing you. Now fold the bottom part up and do the same thing on the other side, so it's a triangle, like this. Now you go open the bottom now. So do the same thing like you did before, and now you got this. If you go open it like that, then you did it right. So open it and then do it on the table. Just get it down. If it looks like this, make sure you make it like a triangle shape. And now we're done with our boat. So you can write your name on it. I'm gonna write mine, initials, and sign it with my signature. Now, if you send a picture to me, I will know how cute it is. So, bye. I wish you have fun folding with me. Bye.